welcome. I am Sujani and today we will talk about e-verification of your ITR using ICICI Netbanking. You must file your income tax returns by 30th November 2020. If you miss this deadline, you may have to pay a penalty up to Rs 10,000. The process of filing is not really complete till the return is e-verified. Post e-filing your returns, you will get 120 days to e-verify. One of the most recommended methods is netbanking. Here is a step-by-step process on how to e-verify your tax returns. Step 1. Log into your ICICI account with your ID and password. Step 2. Click on Payments and Transfer on the dashboard and then click on Tax Center. Step 3. Scroll down and click on E-File Now under the Income Tax E-Filing tab. Step 4. Review or add your account number and PAN. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Submit. Step 5. Post submitting, you will be directed to the Income Tax portal. Step 6. Log into your account, click on My Account and select E-Verify Returns from the drop-down. Step 7. Click on E-Verify against the correct return. A screen blocker will appear asking for your confirmation to e-verify the return. Click on the Continue button. Your return will be successfully verified. An email confirmation will be sent to your registered ID. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to ClearTax. See you.